guys, happy Sunday. Hope you're all doing well. I think today's video is just going to be a little bit of a vlog, I guess. It's Sunday, what, don't even know, is it March? Yep, Sunday the 7th of March, so almost a week into March, can you believe it? So, I don't know if any of you have seen these kind of wee trends going on TikTok of dyeing your clothes brown, but obviously I had to get involved because it's quite hard to find. Like, a lot of brown stuff like sells out, so you can't really buy a lot of it. And then obviously if you can upsell it, not upsell it, what's that word? Upcycle, that's the word. Quite good, it saves some money as well. So got this from Amazon and it was only like £5, which is good. I'll probably show you this way. Yeah, so £5, which is pretty good. And it's espresso brown, and apparently you just put it in the washing machine with, like, inside the washing machine with whatever fabric that you want to dye. I'm a bit nervous, to be honest. The stuff I'm doing, I was thinking of, I've kind of got some stuff out. Also, Peep, I don't know if this is going to focus, but I've been using the Jess Hunt Refi eyebrow stuff. I quite like it. It's great. Literally, I can, unless I have my eyebrows laminated, I can never get, they never like sit up like that. Like, yeah, but it makes them look really good actually. Better now. So yeah, I think I'm going to do this little bag I got from ASOS because it's white. I also don't know how it's going to take to other things other than white, so I'm just kind of stuck to white thing because I don't really want to ruin other things if it's not going to, it won't dye it as well. That's what I'm saying. Right, so I've got this little bag from ASOS, which is obviously white, but the white will just get mocha, so it was only £3 actually on the sale. So I'm going to do this. Then I've got these jeans which I got from Primark last year before obviously living in Shotgun. Actually it was in the summer. I think I wore them in one of my last vlog that I've ever done. I guess they look a bit cream there. So I'm going to do them. So kind of mum jeans, and I just kind of think, I'm not a huge, I like white jeans, but I thought these are a wee change to do brown, and then I can always get another black, another white one. And then I've got this Adidas jumper, which I've had for a good while, and it's obviously very creased. Oops. So that's the kind of thing, that's the three things, main things I've got. I've also got white Nike shoggies, but I don't know if I'm too scared. But I'm also scared to wear them out because they're white and then they will just get so dirty, so I don't really wear them around the house. So I don't know what to do with that. Did I just go for it? Because I think they were in the sale anyway, and I've had them a wee while. So I might just go for it and hope for the best. And the wee tick on them isn't like embroidered, it's like silver, I think. So it's not like it'll go like a weird look, because I think this one is like, yeah, it's embroidered, so then if I done that then it would just go like brown as well. Decisions. I think Andy's going to give me a few things of his that he wants done, or will it one or two. I just need to see how they turn out. But yeah, I'll give you an update when we're going to do it. I think we're just needing to pop to the shops first, and then we'll do it after that. But how cute is this wee clip actually? Oh, it's a nice this one. Yep, like that. But just pin these bangs back on the other side. Annoying. How annoying is my hairline? But yeah, I'll update you soon. What else have you got?
What?
What are you doing this? Look.
This plain white jumper.
What's on it?
Just plain white.
I can do that.
You put me in it.
Yeah. Don't be annoying.
Perhaps this plain white jumper.
Shut up.
Subtitle that.
That'll be the.
Who made that white jumper there?
Shut up.
Shut up. Fold in half.
Ah!
Peekaboo.
Shall we? Oh god. Is it warm?
Yeah.
Oh god. Don't mind wet clothes.
Can't wait for you asked to do it in 1 minute.
What?
Can't wait for you to ask me to do it in a minute.
I know, I was tempted.
Turn the camera on. And there you do it.
I wasn't last done this, to be honest. Oh god, it's so heavy.
What we did, Morgan?
Dampening things, that's what it says to do. And my tan's probably going to run all over. That's probably what's in it, it's my tan.
What we did in general?
Tan.
Yeah, you hold it now and just make sure nothing's sold.
God, my hair's interesting after that walk.
After that, title celebration walk.
No. Actually, no. Oh my god, look how orange I look for you.
We just rolled it the last one.
Your hair looks great, thanks very much.
I know, I had to tidy up myself.
No, you didn't. Get the ugly pictures of that one.
What?
The ugly pictures.
I know. What would that mean, like 1.6 kilos wet? No, that's more than 1.6 kilos wet.
No, I don't know what it means.
Wait, like round about or what?
Well, it is damp, so I think that kind of means ring out, doesn't it? Hope this goes well. Oh my god! Fucking carries a lot of water. Let's see this one.
Falling over.
Oh god. Oh god. What, you set it in? That's so... I'm worried. Oh, just do 40. I'm scared. Hey guys, so sorry it's been a wee bit of a delay. Because just by the time they basically had to go through like 2 washes, so like one with the wee pod inside, like where it dyes it, and then again another wash. I don't really know why they do it, but yeah, had to do that. And then by the time they were out, it was really late. It was like 9 o'clock, so they had to dry. So it's now Monday, and just back from work, and I'll get the stuff that we did. So it actually turned out a really nice colour. Oh. So this is the trousers. Probably doesn't look a great colour here, but it turned out nice. But I think, where was it? I don't know if you can see that. There's like kind of dark, which I think is from this fucking tote bag, which also turned out looking nice. But yeah, this 3 tote bag. So all the colours are pretty matched, but I think all this writing has transferred onto the jeans and fucking everything else. So that's a bit annoying. So I'm going to probably wash everything again just to see if it comes out, but not much hope. I did jumper pretty bad with it, to be honest, so I'm glad I didn't do my white joggers because that would have been an absolute fail. I don't know why I put that bag in with it. What is it? Don't know again if you can see. Yep, and that one, and then the probably worst one is Andy's top, which has quite... And it would have been really nice if it didn't have that. I mean, it doesn't really wear it out unless he's in here, but yeah, it's pretty bad. It'd be nice as well. Never mind. So yeah, I'm going to put them all in the wash again and see how they are, but kind of sad that kind of failed. I mean, it didn't fail, like it's such a nice colour. It's kind of like the colour of jeans I wanted from Zara. I mean, it looked horrible in this lighting. It's natural, it's pure dull outside today. Yeah, the jeans I wanted from Zara that weren't in my size. But why did I put that bag in? Oh, never mind. So yeah, I'd say if you're going to do this TikTok trend, don't put, oh my god, my hair's an absolute riot from work. Yeah, so if you're going to do this, then don't put in bags with black. I don't even know how it's transferred. Like, cause it's like almost a sticker. I don't know. But yeah, don't do that if you're planning to dye stuff. Idiot. But never mind. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed this video. You know, it was a bit of a fail. More kind of vlog style, which obviously a wee bit different because I usually have been doing a lot of hauls recently, but I quite like a wee chill vlog. It's a fly, a chill vlog. So if you get any suggestions, obviously put them in the wee comments below because I'm happy to take them, and I'll see you next time.